Yes, sir. Welcome to another episode of Sneaker Notes. I'm your boy C Notes. Thanks for checking me out. And Stussy and Nike is back for like the nth time, man. I think only twice this year. They came out with the Converse joint. That's not really Nike, but Nike owns Converse. Y'all know what I'm saying. But I showed y'all a review. I'll find it and put it up there somewhere. But today we talking about the Air Max 2013 Stussy. And to be honest, when it comes to Air Max 95, 90, 1, 97, 98 is where I fall off a little bit. 2013, that's real new. I know we in 2022, but that's considered new. If you don't remember though, the Air Max 2013 had the huge Air Max logo on the back and like a futuristic font. That's what made that that was the staple for the Air Max 2013. I'm not really sure why Stussy decided to do this silhouette, but I like it. I mean, on first glance to me, it does look like one of them Adidas shoes. Or like when we first seen Prime Knit, or when Kobe first came out with his silhouette with the netting. That's what I see, man. But overall, I like what Stussy did, man. Hit the B-roll. On the soundtrack. So off-white or sail white, Prime Knit, Travis Scott logo, you know, the backwards logo. I'm hyped to get into this. Hit the music. Unboxing time. Yes, sir. So when I first seen this red and white box, I automatically thought Nigel Sylvester, man. That's what I thought. That's what it reminded me of off the back. If you haven't got a chance to get a Nigel Sylvester Jordan 1, it's in this red and white colorway. Just like this, guys. Only difference is it says Stussy on the front, Stussy on the back. But that huge Nike logo is on your Nigel Sylvester Jordan 1s. And I like this box. What I also like about the box is when you got all the bells and whistles on the back, it even has that Stussy font. Flip open the lid and you got some nostalgic newspaper or newsworthy tissue paper in the front. I haven't really looked to see exactly what it is. It looks like black and white tree leaves, but I'll get into that and research that. After that, you got your original white tissue paper. And let's start with the right shoe. Here's a 360 view of the Stussy Air Max 2013. Now, even though the whole shoe is like Prime Knit netting, what drew my eye, boom, was the backward swoosh. I know Travis Scott made this famous. He is like the OG popular of this. I don't know if he was the first, but I know his sneaker made it real popular. So that backward swoosh is in a Chanel wool material in a nice jet black, guys. Like, it fits perfectly in, as you can see there. On the other side of the shoe, you have a mini swoosh, but this one on the camera, it looks like it's supposed to be that way, but this one is also backwards too. As you can see, it's just a little smaller than the one on the outside of the shoe. In the middle of the shoe, you have a mini swoosh right at the top, right before you get to your lacing. Like I said, the whole sneaker's in that Prime Knit. You see it moving. Basketball net material, but under you can feel the mesh. You can hear that? You can feel the mesh under the sneaker, and that's color blocked. Well, not color blocked, but design blocked by some more netting, but just a different material. As you can see it, making it like a 3-part sneaker in the front. Around the toe box, you do have something that looks like nubuck suede, but it's hard to touch. Sort of like some couch material. And that's also in like a sail white colorway, but you can see it different because the material's there. I like this black mud guard right here because it kind of gives the sneaker character, gives it away from that sand look. And then right there you got your Stussy logo and your Stussy font. Right near the shoelace eyelets. More Stussy branding on the tongue. This tongue is a hard tongue. Skinny tongue, but hard material tongue. And that Stussy logo's dope. This does look like something Travis Scott would design, as it has that desert naked look. The shoelaces also is like in that rope look, as we seen on the Travis Scott dunks. As you can see it there. I guess the colorway is the same as the sneaker, but again, the material makes the colors look different. And that's your tongue, guys. The inside of the sneaker also has like that Easter basket design material look, and it reads Stussy Air Max. And that Air Max font is the font that you see on the original Air Max 2013 around the back, like I was telling y'all before. It was in that font right there. The bottom reads Max at the heel. In the inside middle, you have Air Max Stussy in that same font. And the bottom has all your Air Max, you know, trail look. Nike swoosh logo. On the shoelace eyelids, you can see it has like that string look, string technology design, as it's pulling and holding the shoelaces together. And that's on both sides. Looks like a rubber band knitted together. I got both shoes in hands now. They're both are the same, in and out. Nothing's different. You know what collabs you have to check, because one would say Stussy, the other one would say Nike. They will always mix it up, but everything's the same. But going back to the bottom, it says waffle skin. Get that to focus. It says waffle skin at the bottom. Stussy backward swoosh. Yes, sir. So you know, when it comes to an all-white shoe, I'm rarely a fan. Like, I done had the triple white Yeezy Boost 350 joints 5 times. I don't really like an all-white sneaker, but I do like that this sneaker is more of a beige, sail white look. Again, I don't know why Stussy decided to do the 2013 Air Max. I'm happy they didn't go for the Hyper Beast, you know, like the Air Max 90 or something. Even though I probably would have liked those. But overall, I mean, man, it's a cool sneaker. I love the backward swoosh, man. Don't just let Travis Scott have that. Go out there and do that, man. Yeah, but that's probably my highlight of the shoe. I like the prom knit. Prom knit done grew on me since like Kobe and a couple of other people used it. It kind of grew on me. I like the trail look around the black with the white. Dope sneaker, man. I got these straight off the Nike website. I think I paid $228. That's with tax and all that. Right now you could get these on StockX or go for like $240, $230. So not that much above retail. As far as like the glue stitching and stuff, no problem with my pair, guys. I'm your boy Sneaker Notes. Thanks for watching. Everybody, get rich.